class. I was the one in charge to record the class, but I just forgot.
Could happen. Could happen. Yeah, last week I was recording, and then like the last 10 minutes of the class, like my internet died on me, and so like just interrupted the video. At least it saved what we already have. So
Wow,
yeah.
that happens sometimes. But well, okay. Let's get
Okay,
started. Do you
so
have the quiz
yeah,
pulled up?
I do. So let's go for the first one. So the Bureau of Labor Statistics produces data on unemployment and other aspects of the labor market from a regular survey of about, and I chose 60,000 households.
Yes, 60,000. Same as me.
Did you notice that this time you don't have to save each individual answer, they just save themselves?
Automatically, it happens like since this week, I think.
Yeah, because last week it wasn't this way.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay. Second one. Okay. So table 228, 6 block. Information. What is a U4 measure of labor underutilization?
I chose B, 6.9.
Yeah, I did the same. All else equal, which of the following would increase the unemployment rate? 1, an increase in the number of women who return to work after being stay-at-home mothers. 2, a preference among older men to retire early. 3, an increase in the maximum number of weeks for which someone can receive government unemployment benefits. 4, an increase in the number of previously unemployed women who stop looking for work and become discouraged workers.
I chose C, which is 2 and 3, because retiring early and then the maximum number of weeks for which someone can receive government unemployment benefits.
Yeah, I had chosen. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see why. Wait, I had chosen B because I went for the increase in the maximum number of weeks. And then, but yeah, it makes sense to add or choose well. Okay, let's go for C. Okay. Marginally attached workers are people who are looking for a better job than they currently have, not working and are not looking for work, but would work if asked, working part-time while they go to school or get training for a better job, only a few years from retirement.
I chose with number 4, I chose B because that's the marginally when
Yep.
someone that's not working would work if that person has to, but want to look for a job.
Yeah, they are just sitting there and saying, well, if you don't have anything else to do, I guess it
If
work.
something comes in, welcome it.
Yep, not like us. Okay, 5. Suppose that the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the entire adult population of Monkey something can be categorized as follows: 25 million people employed, 3 million people unemployed, 1 million discouraged workers, 1 million people who are either students, homemakers, retirees, or other people not seeking employment. What is the labor force participation rate? So what did I choose here? So I chose B, is that correct?
I chose D, the last one, because what I did, since
Yeah.
the BLS is divided everyone, so I took 25 plus the 3 unemployed plus 1, which is the million discouraged. The last million I didn't count because they do not count on the labor force. So I got 28. So
29,
the labor force participation, yeah, was 96.7.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Okay, next. Evidence from research studies by economists shows that increased unemployment benefits decrease the job search efforts of the unemployed, shows that increased unemployment benefits have virtually no effect on the job search efforts of the unemployed, shows that the increased unemployment benefits increase the job search efforts of the unemployed, or is conflicting on what increased employment benefits do to the job search efforts for the unemployed. So I chose A here.
Yes, that one.
Because there's controversy on how how positive or negative it is, but overall it
Mhm.
does affect negatively
Yes.
effort.
Mhm.
Okay. When Gwen is an unpaid worker in her family's restaurant, the Bureau of Labor Statistics counts Gwen as. And here is I had doubts with this one, but here I
Mhm.
chose unemployed and in the labor force.
Yes, that one because actually she's working, and I would think if she would be given the opportunity to work and get paid, she will go for it.
Mm-hmm.
So unemployed and then the labor force.
Okay. Glad to hear my indecision was actually.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Question 8. Suppose the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports an entire population of among something, 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 and because okay, this is the same text as before.
Mhm.
Blah, blah, blah. So what is the unemployment rate? So
I chose C because that's the same. I took the 28 millions and took the percentage of the 3 million being unemployed, and it's 10.7.
okay, yeah.
Because I divided 100 by 28 and then multiplied by 3, got 10.7 and so on and some decimals.
Okay. Next, who in the adult population is counted as employed in the U.S. labor statistics? People who are temporarily absent from their job and people who work without pay in family members' business. People who are temporarily absent from their job but not people who work without pay in family members' business. People who work without paid in a family member's business but not people who are temporarily absent from their job. Neither people who are temporarily absent from their job, nor people who work without paid in a family member's business. So here I went for A.
And number
I,
10?
yeah, because I didn't know if it was referring because like it just says that they are temporarily absent from their job, and
Mm-hmm.
I thought that based on what I read, these people are still considered employed. But I didn't know if it was referring to like vacations or like interruption of their work if they were like laid off or like. So I wasn't sure on this.
Yeah, with this one, I was not sure as well. I was taking a look about what you said because it says employed in the U.S. labor statistics. It says people who are temporarily absent from their job and people who work without pay in a family member's business. This one is part of the question that we answered just before, what says people who work without pay in a family member business.
Oh, that's unemployed because we said she was unemployed, but part of the workforce, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that can't be A. So it
Yeah.
should be.
It says people who are temporarily absent from their job, but not people who work. Let's go back to that question. That one says Gwen is an unpaid worker in her family's restaurant. The Bureau of Labor Statistics count Gwen as employed and in the labor force. So she's employed and in the labor force. Then says people who are temporarily absent from their job and people who work without pay in family members' business. People are temporarily absent from their job, but not people. No, she will count.
Or A, I don't know. It could be A
Of
because
people who are temporarily absent. I'm not sure about people being absent about their job because sickness or
yeah, I seem to recall that those people, but I'm not sure either.
yeah. If you want, we can go with 8, but I think we missed number 9.
Oh, sorry, I jumped on that. Well, let's say 10 is A, and then 9. Unemployment that results because it takes time for workers to search for the jobs that best suit their tastes and skill is called. That's frictional unemployment, correct?
Frictional. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. With 10, I think we can go with A and yeah, give the benefit of the doubt on that one. And we'll see.
Okay. Okay, question 11. Which of the following is not a reason economies experience structural unemployment?
It's job search.
Yeah, because all those others are part of it.
Mm-hmm.
So question 12. If changing consumer preferences increase the demand for satellite radios and decrease the demand for video cassette recorders, the economy will likely exhibit an increase in the natural rate of unemployment, a decrease in the natural rate of unemployment, frictional unemployment, or efficiency wages. So I went for A here.
For A?
Yeah,
I would say frictional unemployment.
Yeah.
Because what happened is that since the demand will be changing, and then satellite radios and decreased demand for video cassette requires the economy. I mean, we will be decreasing on one, but increasing on the other one. So the other one will be hiring more people, and the other one will be firing people. So people would need to do it's just to get for the job that better suit their skills.
Yeah.
I would say C.
Yeah, because I seem to remember it talked about frictional unemployment when this happened. But also, well, yeah, let's go with C. Let's see. I'm not sure.
Yeah, because with first and the second, one will be going down, but the other one will be going up.
Yeah, that's true. But overall, like, while that happens, like, while that switch is happening, then there's gonna be unemployment. Well, could be that. Yeah, let's go with frictional unemployment. Okay, so public policy can reduce both frictional unemployment and the natural rate of unemployment. Can reduce frictional unemployment, but it cannot reduce the natural rate of unemployment. Cannot reduce frictional unemployment, but it can reduce the natural rate of unemployment. Cannot reduce either frictional unemployment or the natural rate of unemployment. So for this one, I went for B, which is can reduce frictional unemployment, but it cannot reduce the natural rate of unemployment.
I chose A. And the reason it's because the public policy it's provided more education and more preparation, so that can decrease the frictional having people just been skilled in one thing, and the other one the natural rate of unemployment, meaning that people would have more opportunities.
Yeah, but I don't know why I was under the impression that actually the natural rate of unemployment is not affected by that, because that's like usually what the country has, and so the public policy will only work for frictional employment. So I don't know.
Let's take a look in here. What is break concept?
Yeah, just give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna look for my notes.
Let me just go to the book because I read this section. Just open it. Economics.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry.
I'm just trying to go back to the book and reinforce the concept. It's just loading. Yeah, because that's what I wrote down about public Policy in job search.
Because it does talk about, because when it starts with public policy, it says, even if some frictional employment is inevitable, the precise amount is not. The faster information spreads out, blah, blah, blah. It starts talking about that. So frictional unemployment is reduced. That's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to see about
Unemployment. Let me go to that one. Policy and job search. It says, even if some frictional employment is inevitable, the precise amount is not. The faster information is spreads about job openings and worker availability, the more rapidly the economy can match workers and firms. The internet, for instance, may help facilitate job search and reduce frictional unemployment. In addition, public policy may play a role. If policy can reduce the time it takes unemployed workers to find new jobs, it can reduce the economy's natural rate of unemployment.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, because it facilitates the way people can get news about jobs.
Mhm.
So it will be affecting it that way.
Okay, so it will be the
Number A. Letter A.
number 38. Okay, so that's A for 13. Let's go for 14. If there were no factors keeping wages from reaching equilibrium, then there would be no cyclical unemployment, frictional unemployment, structural unemployment, natural rate of unemployment.
I chose structural unemployment.
Yeah. Right there. Okay, question 15. If unemployment is 2,000 workers, then the minimum wage must be 3? Right?
Yeah, but we have no 3 in the answers. That's the first thing that I took a look at. Because, yeah, I was taking the graph at 20, and then, but I don't know which line we should take, the supply or the demand.
Let's go. If unemployment is 2,000 workers,
the minimum wage. I think the 2,000 workers may be making a reference to the demand of workers. It says if unemployment is 2,000, so that's the demand. Then the minimum wage must be. So we take 3, but as well we have no 9 there.
no 9.
So what do we have? 7, and there are 40 hundreds. So that will be 4,000. Yeah, because on 20, which is 20 hundreds, 2,000, it's 9.
Yeah, like there are
Because I don't know if we were given a graph like this one on the.
no, I didn't see any.
All right.
Or at least here.
The minimum wages law. Yeah, we have a graph, but it says on topic 13.3, minimum wage laws. And then it says quantity of labor supplied. Noise made in the middle. Labor demand. Says the wage at which supply and demand balance is established. This equilibrium wage, the quantity of labor supplied and the quantity of labor demanded, both equal. LE.
Oh, okay.
I think it's the one in the middle where the equilibrium is. So that will be
60. So that will be 7.
7, right?
Yeah, because that's the difference between the 4,000 and then the 6,000 employees. That will be 2,000 employees of difference, which is the surplus, which is unemployment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
So that one is in the middle. It's 7. 7. Yeah.
See, that's just how making the economy is. Workers searching for jobs that best suit them is most closely associated with frictional employment.
Yeah, it's friction. Yeah, we were asked this question twice.
Yeah. Okay. So if that's good, that's fine with me. If they want to ask me like 40 times the same question in the exam, that will also work. If the government imposes a minimum wage of 4, how many employees will be or how many workers, sorry, will be unemployed?
70/30 will be 4,000, right?
As from 3 to 7, 4, yeah, correct.
Mm-hmm.
Unions contribute to frictional unemployment, but not the natural rate of unemployment. The natural rate of unemployment, but not frictional unemployment. Both frictional unemployment and the natural rate of unemployment, and neither frictional unemployment nor the natural rate of unemployment.
I chose B because the unions help a lot of people to get a job, but as well it's not helping with the frictional because the original workers are getting worse off from the unions.
And also once you're in the union, like you're in a union for a specific type of job, then that's it. Like you're not gonna be changing jobs or like looking for something that adapts better to you. It's gonna be the same job.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense. Okay. Paying efficiency wages means that wages are above equilibrium and profits are higher than otherwise. Above equilibrium and profits are lower than otherwise. Below equilibrium and profits are higher than otherwise, and below equilibrium and profits are lower than otherwise. So here this will be A.
Yes.
Okay, so question 20. The theory of efficiency wages provides a possible explanation as to why workers form unions. Firms should try to reduce surpluses of labor. Firms may be inclined to keep their workers' wages below the equilibrium level. Firms may be inclined to keep their workers' wages below the equilibrium. All BC, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. So let's submit and check how it goes.
Okay. Crossing fingers here.
We missed 2.
Oh, well, that's not too bad.
It's not too bad, but yeah. It still is an A.
Yeah. It all helps. It helps push up the grades.
Yeah. Okay. So
awesome.
Thank you for showing up. So then I'll be posting the link and the attendance to the meeting, okay?
Sounds good to me. Thank you.